Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amica's telematics options in the app, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Amica app on your mobile device. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left or right corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation options. Scroll down to find the Telematics section. Select Telematics to enter the options for activating this feature. Read through the information provided about telematics and its benefits. Look for the Activate button or toggle to start the activation process. Tap on the Activate button to proceed. You may be prompted to agree to terms and conditions. Carefully read these terms and check the box to accept them. Once you've agreed, tap on Continue or Next. The app may request permission to access location data. Allow the app to access your location for accurate telemetry data. After granting permission, you'll see a confirmation message. This indicates that telematics has been successfully activated. To monitor your driving habits, return to the main dashboard. Locate the telematics section again to view your driving scores. You can track your performance and make improvements over time. For additional settings, explore any customization options available. Check this section regularly for updates and insights into your driving. You are now fully set up to use Amica's telematics options effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.